Good morning, students. Standard 6 Real English. In English, today we will do chapter number 11 Life. This is poem, and this poem is written by Henry Van Dyke. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and unreluctant soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, not holding back in fear from what the future weighs, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that he wants to live his life without any hesitation, always looking forward and advancing towards his goal without any hurry and distraction, and not hurrying to, not turning from the goal. So he just wants to live in the present without mourning for the things in the past and without fearing for the future's uncertainties hidden behind the vein of the present. And he wants to move forward in life with happy heart, paying all the dues demanded by age and continue to travel forward. And in second stanza, so let the wave wind up the hill or down, over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy, still seeking what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure and a crown, my heart will keep the courage of the quest, and hope the road's last turn will be the best. In this stanza, the poet wants to say, further expresses his determination to live a great life. He says he won't be daunted by the difficult uphill road or life, whether he gets a rough road or a smooth road. He will travel on it with joy. He will continue seeking new friendship, thrilling adventure and a crown, prize. You can say prize. The same manner when he was just a boy, he says his quest will never stop and continue living in hope that life would be the best after the last turn. Life would be the best after the last turn. This poem is written by Henry Van Dyke. And these are the meanings. You have to write in your notebook and learn these meanings. You have to write and learn.